Lou mentioned theme and development, and that's really important for the drums too. If we played the whole tune over here on the hi-hat, it would be pretty boring. So I'm always looking for ways to develop the piece of music. And of course, one way we do it is with filling. That helps mark the phrases. Another thing we do is go from hi-hat to ride cymbal.
So Steve, would you say that we build upon that theme and development in accordance with thinking about the form as we do it?
Absolutely, Lou. That's a great point. Everything that I do, and I know everything you do, we don't just add things in the middle of the song or in the middle of a phrase. Everything is to the phrase and to the form of the song. So if I'm going to shift up to a cymbal or shift the intensity level in any way, I'm going to always be doing it with an eye toward the form and toward building the song in these kind of blocks. So, you know, the drummer or the rhythm section, for that matter, that's not paying attention to form is going to be very unclear, and it's not going to have the build that we like to develop here.